Hey guys, what's up? This is my bike check of the Kink 2015 review. This is my bike check. It's Kink launch 2015. It's very nice, apparent purple. Guys, so look at it for a second. Can you see the apparent purple? This bike is really light. It's only 23.8 pounds. These bearings are really good in here. I'll show you how good. While I do this video, I'll show you how good these are by you watching these the rest of the way. Oh, who cares about this? You guys probably already know how long it's gonna take. Here's these misson. Misson pedals. Same thing on the other side. Misson Triumph. I don't know. The thing just stopped. And wish I could show you guys the brakes right now, but it's really cool. But it's really early in the morning right now. I don't want to show you guys it right now because it's really early. If you guys watched my other video, my review on it, I showed you guys the hub and everything else. That's the hub. This bike has like some of the best brake systems. Watch. I call that the crossbone. The hammer, it's a really good hammer. One thing that I don't really like, I tried doing a double bar spin, or triple bar spin, and this only wraps around like 2 times. On the third time, it spun around and it stopped right when it was behind. So I got so mad and I wrecked. Yeah, it's one thing I don't like about this bike, but this bike is sweet. It has the first set of handlebars, which are called the Jaguars. It's very nice chain. Focus. Very nice chain. And the tires, if you listen to the front one, it echoes a little bit. These tires are 7X emission tires. They're really good. Same on both tires. That's why I really like this bike. Its hub is so loud. It's equipped with a misson single clamp, misson seat, which is so padded. That's pretty much. Oh yeah, and the misson grips. That's pretty much that for this video. I'll show you guys the rest of the bike. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Bye.